This is a 6 kilowatt laser that cuts up to 1 inch steel, 3/4 aluminum, or 5/8 copper.
It allows us to cut a variety of materials, including reflective materials.
Now, as you see, the green tint means it's a fiber laser. They run more efficiently and more accurately than a CO2 laser. Now, if you come up here, you can see it in process cutting parts. The feature about this machine is the pallet changer. So, while the machine is running, the parts can be taken off of this pallet and a new sheet can be added, so this machine constantly runs all day. Now, if there's a long cut time, lots of holes, we'll set this machine up and we'll run it lights out when we're gone, and then that gives us 2 sheets that will be done by the next day. A 5x10 is as big as this machine can hold.
Now, we use this for a couple different things. One is for standard sheet metal parts. What we can also do is we can take up to 1 inch material and we can cut machine ready blanks. Saves a lot of time in machining and gets it very close.
This machine can run 400 inches a minute. So that makes it very fast and very efficient for what we need. Southern Spring and Stamping, our place does look like a resort, but that's because that's the way we want to treat you. We want you to feel like you can talk to us. We want you to have that resort experience where you know you're getting the best quality part and the best quality service at the same time. Because the less pain you have with your supplier, the better off you are.
Come and see a full video tour of our factory at notjustsprings.com.